Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are filming the Project Pan update for the month of March, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, like usual, I didn't film this eye look, but everything that I have on my face, it will be listed in the description box. And I need to take a second just to talk about this shirt that I am wearing, because I really love anime in general and I don't have merch for anime, not that I really need or something, but I would like to have more shirts and more hoodies maybe with something like this. I am very excited about this shirt, so I'm very happy. And it is great quality as well. I think I bought it from Bershka. So let's talk about the update for this month. I do have one product that it is finished and I'm excited, but let's start with a primer. I do have in my project pan the Hello Good Stuff primer from Essence. I'm gonna put some short videos with close-ups for all of these products, most of these products. So this is a really nice primer. I do really enjoy it. It is a glowy primer, a bit hydrating. It looks really nice. It's not shimmery or something like that. It is pretty hydrating and I do really like it. I do have a good progress on it. It will probably take around 4 more months or something like that to finish this primer, but I do enjoy it, so it is pretty easy for me to finish it up. Then for foundation, I do have 2 in my project pan. I was hoping to finish the Fenty one. I'm gonna put a close-up. The packaging is not really see-through, so you can't really see where I am at, but it is making weird sounds when I am squishing it to get some product. But this time, 1 more month and I think it should be done. Hopefully. This is still not my favorite foundation, but it is better right now because I realized that my sunscreen was a problem because it is too hydrating for my skin. I did finish that one up, so you will see it in the empties. It was the Eaze 3 one and that one is too glowy for me, but now I am using my favorite one, the Severe one, and this foundation looks better on top of that one, but still, it doesn't look perfect. It is wearing great overall, but still not my favorite foundation. But last month I added the Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation and I wanted to have options, and as well I was hoping for the Fenty one to be done, and it's not. But I did use this one like 3-4 times and I did decent progress on it, and of course I'm gonna keep this one in the project pan as well. I want to finish them both in the future months because I really want to finish some foundations this year. And right now, because things are getting back to normal and I think I'm gonna go to the office full time, I will wear makeup a lot more, so we will see maybe better progress. And I love wearing makeup, so it will be a very nice moment in the morning just to add a bit of makeup on my face. And talking about that, let's add this product into the discussion. This is the NYX Bare With Me Concealer Serum, and in here you can see that the pump is going up, so the progress is up, not down, but you can clearly see where I'm at, and that is wonderful. I did a pretty good progress on it as well, and I love this concealer as a foundation, a very light layer, and it looks stunning. So I can use just a bit under the eyes and then just spread it around a tiny bit, and it looks so great. It wears wonderful and I love it. So I think some days of the week I will probably use this one as foundation and just add some powder, do my brows and add some lipstick and be done with my makeup, because I don't have a lot of time in the morning, but it looks so good. It's a very nice concealer. I do recommend it. And as well, I have the Sigma corrector into the project pan. And I didn't use this one that much this month just because I was using the NYX one, and this product makes a difference, but I was just in a rush in the mornings, so usually I am applying this one when I have just a bit more time. For example, today I do have this one on my under eyes and on some pimples. I really love this product. It is so creamy, so nice, but I didn't do the biggest progress on it just because I didn't wear it that much, but we will finish this one up. I really like it. I do recommend it, and I adore this packaging as well. It is so tiny, compact, and it is so great quality, so I do really enjoy having this one in the project pen as well. Like usual in my project pens, I seem to be rushing things, so let's slow down a bit because I don't know why I'm talking so fast and I am going so fast through all of these products. But next we have a powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I will put the video on the screen. I did a pretty good progress. I am using this one every day for blending my blush, my bronzer, adding some powder in here or my temples and stuff like that. On my under eyes, I always use my loose powder from Huda, but this one is amazing for blending the edges or something like that. It is not my favorite powder, but I did a really good progress, and I think I'm gonna use it maybe half of the month or something like that. And maybe after I am too close to the edges that my brush can't pick any powder up, I will crush this powder and put it in the middle and kind of repress it, but not with rubbing alcohol or something like that, just pressing the powder into the center without any alcohol, because that sometimes is changing the formula, and for a powder I could assume that it will change the formula just a bit. So I'm gonna see if this needs to be repressed this month or the next one, but for sure I'm gonna repress it in one way or another. Let's move into some cheek products. I did add into the project pen the Rare Beauty Cream Bronzer. This is lovely. It was in the favorites. I adore it. But this month I applied it multiple times, I think most times, with a brush, not applied it, blended. So I was applying directly to my face like this and then blending it out with a brush, and I prefer that. I think it looks wonderful. This I used 20 times in January and 15 times in February. This year February has only 28 days, so it is a shorter month, so that's the reason I use this one less. And I did use as well, I think 2 or 3 days, my cream bronzer from Revolution, because I wanted to use other products from my collection as well. But this is lovely, and I still have 15 uses on it, so I think it will be done in March, but I'm gonna see in March if I still want to continue to use this one or if I want to use the Essence one. In a perfect world, I would love to finish this one and the Essence powder bronzer, but I think that is pretty much impossible in a year. But both of them are lovely products, and today I am actually wearing only the Essence powder bronzer. Sometimes I am setting this one with that one, but I'm gonna see. This will stay at least another month in the project pen, and then I'm gonna decide if I want to swap it out or not. And then the big reveal, the product that I did finish, it is the Fenty blush. I love this formula. I am so happy that I finished this one up. It is a big accomplishment for me. I really like this blush, and I do have another one, another shade. This is the Petal Poppin shade, and I did use this one 25 times in total in the project pen. 20 times in January and then another 5 times in February, and it was done. I am very happy. So we have another product finished in the project pen. This is great. I really love it. It was really nice with a brush as well. And I'm gonna introduce a new blush into the project pan with 50 uses as well. And I decided on this one. This is the LYS Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush, and I have here the shade Confident. I do have a dip in it. Maybe we will be able to hit pan, but 50 uses it is for now. Maybe I'm gonna finish this one up as well this year. Who knows? I think that is too ambitious of me, but magic happens sometimes. Next we have a highlighter, and for this one I put 50 uses, but I do have a close-up just because I knew from the beginning that I would like to finish this highlighter up, but it is so hard to finish a highlighter. It is a bit annoying and very challenging. So in the month of January I did use this one 13 times, and in February I did use it 14 times actually. I can see the smallest progress, but it is a bit annoying. And this month I actually bought the green highlighter from LYS Beauty. I actually have both of them on my cheeks today. It looks a bit green. I actually like it like this. This one is just a tiny bit too dark for my skin tone, and I did put this one first and then I layered that one just a bit on top, and I don't think I have a cast, so that is lovely. And it is very blinding just because this highlighter, it is very blinding. I adore this formula, but I hate this packaging with a passion. I will finish this one up this year, next year, in 5 years, I don't care, but this will be finished. I want to see a clear pen similar to this Fenty cream blush. Next we have glosses. I do have one gloss in my project pen at all times, and this one is the Too Faced Hangover RX Pillow Balm, and I have the shade Watermelon Kiss. This is a really nice one. The color is not my favorite, but it smells wonderful. I really love the smell and the taste of fake watermelon flavor. I enjoy gummies as well with a watermelon flavor. This is lovely. I really love it, and I am halfway done with this one. I knew that this will take more than a month, but next month I think this will be done, and I do enjoy it. It is really nice. And lastly we have the category of monthly bonus item, even though it is not a bonus item, but it is what it is. And in January I had the MAC Runway Hit lipstick. In February I added the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, and I did use this one 10 times. Yes, 10 times. I do have a small note here, 10 times. It is a very beautiful one. Today I'm not wearing it actually. I do have on my lips the Essence one, and that one is, in my eyes, a pretty good dupe, but the packaging is for sure not a dupe. This is a lovely packaging. The E.L.F one broke a bit. It is impossible to twist right now. I need to fight it to open it. The price difference is really visible when it comes to packaging. I do really like this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and I did enjoy it this month. And for March I did decide on this E.L.F No Budge shadow stick. It was a very fast decision. I didn't have a product decided until today, and I was like, do I add another lipstick? And then I opened one drawer and I see this one, and I was like, good decision, and I just pick it up. This is in the shade Copper Chic. So usually I am not doing one shadow look, and this type of product is perfect for that. But these days I am going into the office a lot, so I can put this one on a bare lid and then add just a shimmery gold or a shimmery copper or a shimmery white, whatever, on top of this one, and it will be practically a two shadow look. So I think this could be very helpful, and I will track the number of uses for this one as well. So this is the update. I am very happy with the finished product. I am very excited to see next month if I will be able to finish anything else. I think only the Fenty foundation, it is possible to be done in the next month, and I hope it will be. And yeah, I really like project painting. It is very fun and it is very easy in the morning just to decide what products to use. And yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.